Let's fix your iPhone if it has a black screen, but it still works. Now, on your iPhone, if the screen is black, but you touch it and tap on it and it doesn't really work, the easiest way to get that fixed is to do a force restart on it. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. So I'll walk you through that. I'll press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Now you might see that slide to power off, or you might not. Essentially, you're just going to press and hold this until you see that Apple logo appear, and this will do a force restart on that phone. There you can see that Apple logo. This should get it fixed, but if it doesn't, the next step is you're just going to take a charging cable and you're going to plug that phone in with that charging cable, wait about 20 to 30 minutes, and then try that force restart again, and it should be working at that point.